Microbes in food process. See, microbes in food process. See, some microorganisms helps to preserve food. Then some other microorganisms can also cause food to spoil. If you eat food that is spoiled, that harms your body. Okay? Then see, for food processing, commonly used microorganisms are yeast, bacteria and molds. Okay? Food processing microorganisms are yeast, bacteria and molds. See, now we will see about food preservation. Food preservation methods are two types. One is traditional method, another one is modern method. Traditional methods are fermentation, pickling, boiling, sugaring. Pickling two types, chemical pickling and fermentation pickling. So what are the traditional methods we have studied? Fermentation, pickling, chemical pickling, fermentation pickling, boiling and sugaring. Then modern method, pasteurization. Okay. Now we will see about what is fermentation. Okay, see, fermentation is a microbial conversion. Fermentation is a microbial conversion of starch and sugars into alcohol. Here, starch and sugars converted to alcohol. Okay, it makes the food more nutritious and palatable. For example, already we have studied beer is produced by the fermentation of sugars in rice and barley. Okay, did you understand about fermentation? Then pickling. Pickling is a method of preservation of food in an edible antimicrobial liquid. Pickling is a preservation of food in an edible antimicrobial liquid. Okay. Then we will study about what is chemical pickling. Chemical pickling means food is placed in the edible liquid that kills bacteria and other microorganisms. For example, edible liquid, example, vinegar, alcohol, vegetable oil. See, for example, see, the mango fruit spoils within a week or two. But mango pickles stay fresh for a very long time because of preservatives. Preservatives mean that is a edible liquid, vinegar, alcohol or any other vegetable oil. Okay, that we add to the mix, that means mango mix, when we make the pickle, that kills the bacteria. Okay, did you understand about chemical pickling? Here chemical pickling means food is placed in the edible liquid that kills the bacteria and other microorganism. Did you understand chemical pickling? Then we will see about fermentation pickling. Okay. See, fermentation pickling means the food itself produces preservation agent. This process involving lactobacillus bacteria that produces lactic acid as the preservative agent. See, fermentation pickling means here food itself they produces preservation agent. Okay, that is this process lactobacillus bacteria produces lactic acid as the preservation agent, preservative agent. Okay, did you understand? Next one is boiling. See, boiling food items kills microbes. For example, milk and water. Then sugaring. Sugaring is commonly used to preserve fruits. For example, sugar syrup added to apples, pears, peaches, plums, that keeps the fruit dry and in good condition in very long time. Okay, did you understand? Okay, or in a crystallized form. Syrup form or crystallized form, sugar can be used here, that keeps the fruit dry and good condition in very long time. Did you understand sugaring? Sugaring example, fruits. Sugaring. Then pasteurization, that is a modern method. It is the preservation of liquid food items, for example milk. Okay, this method was invented by Louis Pasteur in 1862. Okay, here milk is heated up to 70 degrees centigrade to kill bacteria. See, here milk is heated up to 70 degrees centigrade to kill bacteria. After that, it is cooled to 10 degrees centigrade to prevent the growth of remaining bacteria. Okay, first they are heated up to 70 degrees centigrade to kill bacteria. After that, they cooled to 10 degrees centigrade to prevent the growth of remaining bacteria. Then milk is stored in sterilized bottle in cold places. Did you understand about pasteurization? Pasteurization is a modern method, but other are traditional methods. Okay, so traditional method: fermentation, pickling, then chemical pickling, fermentation, pickling, boiling, sugaring. Did you understand about this? Okay.